it's like a man realize say, yo, you're not really 100 to go on in terms of the pricing and them things because you're new, you're fresh, man I go try things, you know, to demotivate you. Yeah man tell me price and when I don't work, man tell me a different price and I say, Jaja, and everything I have to go through. And that's one I think when I look into it and say, yo, you know what's the best thing for me to do? I try to get my work than myself. You understand? And basically that's what I do. Until right now, I'm only 7-0 a game, but it's going good. Nah, complain.
What's up people, today we have feature International Cabover. You know the driver's name is Shotgun.
Yeah. Long time, man.
Yeah, so Shotgun I go share his story growing up in the truck industry.
Yeah man, well, yes people, Shotgun, Cairo, yeah, short boss, you know. Well, we grew up in the truck thing, you know. Father was a trucker, grandfather was a trucker, uncle, you know, cousins. So we grew up in that man for a long time, but you know your parents never really want you to do. But them do still, so we either try to venture out but realize we have to find back the love and fall back in it still.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so from me I look up boy man, but doing it for myself now personally, going 6 years, 5 to 6 years personally for myself. Yeah man, it's a good thing man. Can't complain. Yeah man. Would I advise anybody, I mean, from you have a passion for your thing and you can't come out of here, just pursue it. And that we do still, you know? Yeah.
So at any given time you ever feel like you want to stop drive truck or you want to give up or anything like that?
No, you know, honestly, I the happiest me ever with myself since. And since we start driving for myself. Yeah man, since me own my own truck and start driving, I happiest me ever be.
Well, as a truck owner, what is the worst moment you ever face?
Well, the worst moment I ever face, you know. You have a few of them. Take up a load one time and a man tell me say Irish, papi in me I go Mavis Bank. I have a turn back and this a truck I can't go out there so. And the lady look at me and say, man, how are you going on the truck? Let me truck them come up here, you know. Yeah man, and that time was my worst experience because just turning the truck alone. All of the air down out of the truck and I come out of the truck, finish turning the truck and come out. And my knee a shake. Yeah man, I have to sit down for about one good 10 minutes before I could actually move the truck to how I did nervous. Yeah man, if anybody know Mavis Bank, you know, say I'm not joke place that.
Mavis Bank,
yeah man, I'm not joke place that man. And the next time again, because some boom and match up some work, you know. And boy, it's like a man realize say, yo, you're not really 100 to go on in terms of the pricing and them things because you're new, you're fresh, man I go try things, you know, to demotivate you. Yeah man tell me price and when I don't work, man tell me a different price and I say, Jaja, and everything I have to go through. And that's one I think when I look into it and say, yo, you know what's the best thing for me to do? I try to get my work than myself. You understand? And basically that's what I do. Until right now, well, I'm only 7-0 a game, you know, but it's going good. Nah, complain. Yeah man, the best thing you can do man, just stick to your price and be real. Be honest. Because that carry you far away. Be honest, charge the right price. Don't undercharge yourself, but don't overcharge the customer. Yeah man, and from people who say, oh, we are doing the right thing and them understand. Because people understand, you know. We just want to explain and tell them. Yeah man, them understand and get it. Somebody feels like you have to tell a man, say you have 40,000 to do this.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you go tell yourself, say, boy, you ask yourself a question and you answer at the same time. And there's some more struck man go wrong.
True.
Because just throw the question out there. And just say, boy, boss, you know, say, you 40 grand. You know? And if you have nothing different to say, he will tell you I work with the closest thing, but at no time at all trying to underprice the value of the work because something up the road. You know, say, yo, it's an arm and leg to fix things on a truck. The cheapest thing on a truck I work, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's the cheapest thing on the work. Everything else. You know, say, honestly. Honestly, you know. You know, say a pro star we really like, but when we check it out, a man we have more experience than me say, yo, it's a nice truck, you know, but the dashboard them love crack up, and you know, him kind of tell me some little few disadvantages where the truck have, which really kind of take my mind off it, you know. So right now, to be honest with you, I repeat them me I go, you know.
Peterbilt?
Yeah, man.
What time of Peterbilt?
I repeat me I go, man.
What time?
Right now, with 379 stop making them have a new one there, look a short, deep nose. Yeah, man, I'm a look a short, deep nose one. I think I'm 579.
Yeah.
A new one with them I make now. I'm not trying to have a deep nose or a straight. I think I'm 579. Yeah, man, so I really repeat me I go still. Yeah, man. I like the Kenworth, you know, but yeah, I really repeat me I go still. Because, I mean, your dream truck, you want your dream truck, you know, as I said, that was my dream truck, the Pro Star, but the Pete them kind of change my mind, I know, and the little advice where the general give me, just make me switch, you know, and say, alright, I would rock with a Pete still.
So right now in Jamaica you have 5 top engine where everybody like. You have the Detroit, the ISX.
You can't stop, man. For the first one, man, the Detroit straight, man. Straight.
So
yeah, man, from your deal with work and money.
yeah.
You understand, and you want to see value out of your things. You can't lose off of Detroit, no time at all. I tell you, no time. Yes, man. I smell Detroit, smell gas oil.
So right now Detroit is number 1 brand.
Number 1 for me, number 1. If my preference was not Detroit, to be honest with you, I really love the cat them. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I really love the cat them. 3406. Yeah, I really love the cat. So would I go with a 3406? You know? Yeah, but apart from that, a Detroit man. ISX now give you no life. It's over. It's fast enough. But you are a rich man engine that. I don't have no money. You're a poor man. So yo, I mean the cat expensive to you know, but it's more durable. You understand? They give you a longer life than the ISX. So if I know a Detroit so over, I don't lie. I just stick with a cat here, man, and go take time and go through, you know? Because at the end of the day, you come and this truck thing, you feel love it, you know, but you also will feed the family, so you have to think about the longevity down the line. You can't just think about tomorrow, you know? Yeah, man, you have to think about down the line. And your kids come up at night and you show them the same thing. Because if you have a look at one, yeah, man, him not left me, man. Anywhere you see me, you see him. Anywhere I go, and then you see me, them say, yo, I want you look a short than them. Yeah, man, so we can't left him out, so you have to teach them the right thing. My father never teach me nothing about truck, you know. And them man, they never want you to come drive truck, you know. Yeah, man, but as me say, you run in our genes and in our DNA, so you couldn't get you out of me, man.
That most parents you said they don't want them child to drive truck.
Yeah, man.
So they try to abandon truck.
Right now you can't drive the truck, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, man. But when you come on to with the loading night still, I don't really give it, because you know what, you go like when you clutch on your ear, clump. Yeah, so I take time to show him still, but he don't reach the stage yet where they're confident enough to give him for you to say, alright, well, look, 100 meter stretch. One gear and they move off and that's it, no gear not change. You know? Yeah, man. But you have a passion for something. You just pursue it. And you know, you do it because you love it. Don't think about the money we are going to get from it, because that's a part of it too. So the money will come eventually. So you just do it for you love it, and that me do. Yeah, man, enough one might see me I go through a daytime. You know, it's a working truck, me have no bad truck. I'm a working truck that does work every day. You see me?
Well, most young truckers where I grew up in the industry now, if I say they want advice.
Alright, advice to young trucker them now.
Yeah.
Number one. If you get half a job or work to drive a truck, don't make the first thing you ask about the engine and the gearbox and no. First thing you have a family to feed. You understand? And the money you work for. And I know say most young truck out there right now, you don't want to drive a truck and buy your own truck. So guess what? You just work for get your pay. See? And you drive a man truck, you treat him truck with your care because at the end of the day a man taking millions and put in your hand. You go home with a daytime, you have it every day at work. You basically come like a year truck. So just keep the truck and care it, treat it like a year one. So when you get year one, you know say at the same way you go treat it and maybe treat it even better. You understand? Yeah man, and work, make sure you see your work and save your money. You have a nice paycheck, I get a week time, you put it to use, you save some, you spend some, don't drink what you like, because drinking not go nowhere.
No time.
Yeah man, drinking not go nowhere man. Me used to drinking now, I stop you know. Yeah man, me stop man, Chuck make me stop drink. Yeah, because you know. I know Chuck I know something for you to play with. Chuck is like a death sentence.
Have it time when
Yeah
you're
man,
ready to get
it's like a
problem.
death sentence. You cannot go down the road and something happen. You have to go down good and something happen. Probably cost you somebody's life. It can probably cost your life too. So I know something for ramp with. So as me I say, when you come on to the truck thing and the young trucker them, you just do the right thing.
Alright, good enough.
As a young trucker, just do the right thing. And don't in the bag of 80, the bag of gear and the bag of knives. That now go nowhere, because I hear one. When you do that, to me come like say a man don't really want to work tomorrow, but today want to work for. And I have it say, yo, you work a truck today and something happen, you jump over in the next man truck. You can't look on life, so. And sometimes it's a man one truck in here to drive, so yo, just do the right thing, treat the truck like a yours, make you happy, make your boss happy. Try and save and buy a truck out of it, so have potential man. You know, have ambition to own your own things. Like to touch.
Yeah.
I don't like see a man left from one truck to a next truck. This today you see me in a one truck, next week you see me in a next truck. The other week you see me in a next truck.
So you think cause that?
Honestly, I don't know enough, I don't want to jump to no conclusion. You understand? It's just something I don't like see. I like see a man sit down in a truck. Yeah man, and you keep on care man, and you make the truck. You keep the truck nice. And you work every day. Yeah, I don't want to see her run up and down and jar gear in this, jar gear in that, mash up gearbox, mash up engine. Nah man, you must drive so you can work every day. They must say every day we have to eat, you know. So you want to work every day. You know, and certain kind of driving, nah, but make you work every day. You understand that sometimes you go down the road, you know, and you feel nice, you know. Yeah man, truck sound good determined by the engine, with the ISX. N14 cat, you know? Tough man say D-China no badness, but have D-China have them badness. You see me? But them engine there, it give a journal and rush more time when the man them hear the engine and hear the sound. And worse when I 18 in there. Oh yeah, I say man. But you have to just take a little time, man, so you can work tomorrow. You can work next week. You understand? Chop nice. You know why you make a money today and you have to spend it back on the truck, you hold it next week, you truck in a garage. Nah. That's not substantial. Yeah man, that's something I don't like, man. So you know. You try to take care of my little truck and keep and carry it nice. Any little nice mirror, you try deal with it quick. You don't want it to have 2 problems or 3 problems. Yeah man, I want at least try have 1, not have no problem, but if you have more, how much problem if you have 1? Don't try have 2 or 3. Yeah man, at least 1. Make it be 1 the maximum you have.
So what is the next step to do more things for your truck? Why left?
Well, the next step, you know, so that truck can come from far.
Of course,
yeah,
man.
Remember, say a long time if you link here, I say, Tash, the car link here, you know, because the truck there in a condition, you know. No, sir. The truck just in a shampoo, you know, in a condition.
Yeah, say you have all more things.
Yeah, man, so I have a couple more things well for do, man. Right now, the cab shield we put on, you're supposed to put on the chute, but the chute can't go on it because they have to change the lock system from the back to the tailgate, so that's one of the reasons why the chute don't go on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, I have that for you. I have 2 more loom rims to get put on. And then, you know, we are going to spray up chassis and we are going to spray up body. You know?
Same white.
Put on some more light.
Which color?
Well, that me not pick it, you know. I know some more on the body in a blue.
Oh, forget did you tell me say they want?
Yeah, man, I remember my link and tell some more you do a color scheme thing, let me see what I want. I know some more on the body in a blue still. The cap I'm not so sure about, but the body, I know some more on the back in a blue. The chassis, that me still don't know yet. Well, that's one thing you want to find. That's why you put it on your computer, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the game simulator thing, I might see up and make me see. Yeah, man, bro, up a look, let me see that look, you know? Are you have enough man to find there now, you know?
True, man.
Yeah, man, I will shot man in here.
A KNG?
Yeah, man. You see, you give them an idea, them, man, and then braff it up.
But I thought that you sell it, you know?
Yeah.
So, good while itself.
But I don't see that. Which part is it? See, the asphalt road, you know. Can't manage it, you know, man. A whole day business that, you know. Whereas if I don't pay for a walk and patch. Yeah, so man, them work them on a whole day work that. I do it a couple times, you know, but I know my favourite, man. Give me dirt for drum and garbage. Yeah, man, sand and gravel and marl, but the asphalt less open. Rough. You left here some bad 6 o'clock to go catch plant. Yeah, man, I have 3-4 truck load before you, because them truck they work with the plant, you know. Yeah, man, some more time come like, you better stay here until I hear that. Because 3 truck just pass you, just so. Mojo! I'm there!
Go on, yes,
Eh? Traffic.
Eh? Well, they look actually good, yes. Sugar both good.
Same place I know, it makes sense to go take up on now. I think that I'm going to show you. It don't make no sense in this case I'm going to take up like all a 30 ton of material. If you can't come across it, it don't make no sense. You just a pressure your truck. So you take up a 20 or a 25, not even 25, 23 and you're alright. Alright, now I have on what, 22. So you just put on that and you just take time and go. And the place is not a joke place, but I don't think it's a chuck to go away. Anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The aim of reach safe and come back safe, you know? That's why I name Victory Lap, you know? Yes, man.
A company shirt that?
Yeah.
What is that name?
Yeah, man. Victory Lap chuck, yeah.
You not build a logo feed it. You have logo feed?
I have a logo in it, but you know, so I want to make some more shirts, so I want to change it.
I make logo too, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I make a logo, man, and this one, man. I want to print some new shirts and things, so I have some regional out there, like, boy, every day I have to talk, say, you have some man out there with real, you know? I want man to look at me and say, yo, shot down with my shirt there. I hear everything, you know, man, give me my shirt, man, let me graph it for you. Say, alright. For real, you have to find certain man say that, you know? So, I have to give credit to that one man, they will say, yo, right.
What say you go?